Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we will deal with the characteristics of images formed by plane mirror. So I have done here a plane mirror and I have taken a light source here. So you know that from a light source the light will spread in all direction. Okay, so I have no use of all the light rays. I have only used here two rays of light from this light source. One ray of light source I have taken perpendicular to the plane mirror, and one light rays I have taken some other place of the plane mirror. Okay, so with this diagram we will try to find the characteristics of the images formed by this plane mirror. Okay, so what happening here is a ray of light falling on this plane mirror at perpendicular at 90 degree. Okay, so at 90 degree it is falling on the plane mirror and getting reflected back on the same path. Okay, so this here it is coming on the plane mirror and reflecting back on the same path. It means the angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection equals to 0 degree. Here, because the incoming rays and outgoing rays are lie on the same path, so angle made by the incident ray with the normal and angle made by the reflected ray with the normal at this point of incidence is equals to 0. Okay, so this point I have cleared with this point. Okay, now I have taken this ray at this point. Okay, and this ray is incidenting at this point of incidence. Okay, and getting reflected back as B. Okay, and I have drawn a normal here. So from the law of reflection we know that if a light ray falls on a point of or any point of a surface, then it get reflected back. Okay, so virtual images formed are represented by dash line. So image of this object is formed at here. Okay, so let's discuss one by one the characteristics of images. Okay, first characteristic is the size of the images. Size of this images of this object formed by this plane mirror is equal. Size of image is equals to size of object. Okay, first point will be in characteristics of this images formed by the plane mirror is the size of image will be same as the size of the object. Second characteristic will be the distance of the images equals to the distance of the object. Okay, so distance of image will be equal to the distance of the object. Now third characteristic will be lateral inversion. What is lateral inversion? If you will stand in front of the plane mirror, then you will find that everything will look good. But if you will move your right hand, then you will feel like that you are moving your left hand. Same thing applied if you are moving your left hand, then you feel that you are moving your right hand. So this is called lateral inversion. Or if you see in simple language, so in lateral inversion, if here a letter R is capital letter R is there, then it in mirror it will look like this. Okay, so this is called lateral inversion. So images formed by this plane mirror are lateral inversion. Okay. So images formed are lateral inversion. Okay. Now the fourth characteristic will be the images formed by this plane mirror will be of virtual images. That virtual images. Okay. Images formed are virtual. So we cannot see these images on the screen. Okay, virtual images, only real images we can see on the screen. Virtual images are not possible to see on the screen. So now see, last characteristic will be the images formed is behind the mirror. So the image will be behind the mirror. So these are the characteristics of the images formed by a plane mirror. Okay, so now we have discussed all these characteristics. So now summarize this all points. Size of the images formed by this plane mirror will be same. That is, object size will be same as the image size. Okay. Distance of the images. This MI will be same as the MO. That is O object. Okay. Distance of the images will be same. Images formed are laterally inverted. Okay. I explained that one. Okay. Images formed are virtual. The actual images we cannot see on the screen. Only real images you can see on the screen. So now last point is the images will be behind the mirror. Okay. So I think I am clear with the topic. So if you find this video useful, then share with your friends. Thank you, and we will meet in the next video.